Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a successful Facebook ads thumbnail using Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, you might want to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, your Facebook account, Microsoft with Clever, your business or working email, or you can also log in using mobile. And by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, before designing your ad thumbnail, you need to clarify your campaign objective because, say for example, are you aiming to increase website traffic or generate leads? Are you going to use a Facebook ad thumbnails to promote a product or to raise brand awareness? Understanding your goal will make you help to have a design choices, right? Because Canva offers pre-designed templates specifically tailored for Facebook ads. Now you can browse through the template library and select one for the Facebook ads. Now you can browse through the template library and select one that aligns with their campaign objective and brand aesthetic. And as you can see, there's a lot that you can choose here. You can get an eye-catching relevant image for your ad thumbnail, or you can have a visual appealing that grabs the viewer's attention while accurately representing your product. Now, please be guided that in order for you to create a Facebook ad thumbnail, you need to go to the upper right corner. You need to create a design. And if you look here for the template for Facebook ad thumbnail, you can't see it. Obviously, I might be using a different interface than currently you have right now. But what you can do here is just customize size, because the Facebook ad thumbnail size is around 600 by 600, and click on the create new design option and you will be directed here, right? Now, obviously, you need to incorporate concise and persuasive text overlays onto the image. Now we are going to choose an image, right? Now for the image, you can go to the free websites that offer a stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock. As you can see, you can just search here for the product. Say for example, you're creating shoes, or gonna be selling shoes. Now here you can get 8,000 free images of choice that you wanted, and just copy it in your, or paste later in the Canva platform. Now if you're not happy with Pixabay, you can go to a website called Unsplash, the internet source for visuals powered by creators. And again, from here you can just type in shoes. So for example, this is going to be the type of shoes you're selling, but I prefer the Pixabay because here, say for example, this is going to be the shoes that we are going to sell in our Facebook ad. When you click on it, as you can see, you have an option to download, obviously, but you can also click on the edit image, right? Click on it and you will be directed to the Canva template that you are currently working on, right? So as you can see, it's not going to take a lot transferring this to Canva, and this should only take a few moments. Now, once we are here, we already have the shoes for our Facebook ad campaigns. And from here, you can do a lot. You can put some text. You can play around with the background image. But I am going to upload a certain file right here. Right, and voila. After that, we can add another background here. Just go to the apps, or go to the elements right here. All right, so for example, we're going to be using this one right here at the background as well. Maybe this one. If we're not happy and satisfied, right? Just put it at the back. And once you are happy with that, all right, you can put some other text here. You can customize it. You can duplicate the page that you wanted and remove a lot of things that you don't want. And once you are happy with that, at the upper right corner, there's an option for the share button. And from here, you have an option to download. Obviously, you can select all of the pages, or you can choose the page one only, right? You can choose from the file types from JPEG, PDF standard, PNG, MP4, and a lot more, but it's the suggested thumbnail for Facebook ads is going to be PNG. You also have an option if you are working with a team or within a project, you might want to give them an access. Say, for example, you can send anyone with the link so that they can view, they can comment, and they can edit, right? And also, as you can see, you have an option to share on social. You can share it in the Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, Facebook group, TikTok, Facebook story, Pinterest, and a lot more. You can have a schedule right here, but you need to have a Canva Pro subscription to be able to do that. You can also have an option to print with Canva if you wanted to have it before you make it for a Facebook ad thumbnail. And there's a lot that you can choose. You can send it to messaging via email, WhatsApp, iMessage, and Facebook Messenger. And once you're happy with that, remember that you need to stay consistent with your brand's visual identity by using consistent colors right here, fonts, and of course imagery in your ad thumbnail. Now this helps reinforce brand recognition and builds trust with your audience. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.